world. Wendy from Cali here, and we've got our color play box again arriving on a Wednesday. You know what I say about Wednesdays, it's got my name in it, and I am totally excited to open this up and show you guys what's in here. Spoiler alert, if you haven't gotten your box yet, if you don't want to be spoiled with the surprise of what's inside, turn this off now. But for those of you guys that are interested in what's inside of the February color play box, keep watching. Alright, first impressions. Virtual Resort. Alright. You are quarterly invited to the Virtual Resort. Alright. Take a look at these and then we'll look at what the extras are. Ooh, that is so pretty! Okay. Right off the bat, already loving this. What is this one called? Pixel Perspective. Pixel Perspective. I love the glitter and the colors of the lines. I'm wondering, it probably isn't a clear color overlay, but I don't know. We'll read about it after we look at the rest. This one looks like a lot of other glitters. I'm not, wowed by it, but at the same time, I'm not mad about it. Virtual Views. And how come it feels like there's air in this? They better not be dry when I open them to use them. But Virtual Views looks like it probably is a glitter overlay, perhaps? We'll take a look. But, oh, that's unique. Okay, alright. I love that silver. Data drip. Yep, it definitely does look like a drip. Alright. Oh my gosh, I can't imagine what people are going to do with all of these strips. I'm very excited to see what everyone's going to do. There's only 4? Whoa, that's different. Okay, there's only 4. I don't know what to feel about this one. This one might be the worst out of all of them. It's called In a Glitch. I mean, if it glowed in the dark, then maybe I might be more in love with it, but I don't know how I feel about this. And it's the one that's the full strip, so I'm just like, what? I don't know. Okay, so 4 different strips, as you can see. This one I'm absolutely loving. This one is alright. This one's pretty cool. I don't know what people are going to do with it, but I can't wait to see. And that one, I don't know. It looks like throw up to me, but I don't know. It might be someone's jam and they might like it. For me, I don't know. Eye mask and scrunchie. Ooh. Oh. And we've got our usual file and nail prep pad. Look at the pretty bag. I mean, it feels so good. Oh, it feels awesome. Let's take a look. They're playing off of that Virtual Resort vibes with this. Logging off. Definitely gonna use that when I'm trying to cover out the light. That's pretty cool. And it feels amazing. The scrunchie, I don't know when I may ever use this, although 80s, 90s coming back, so scrunchies are still a thing now. But ooh, I can't stop touching it. It feels really good. Alright, let's take a look at the cards. And what? It doesn't have a little pamphlet anymore. It's just this little thing that says scan me. Okay, let's scan it and find out what that's all about. Alright, here we go. Log into leisure. Oh, maybe I should turn the sound on, huh? Well, there's not the usual pamphlet that tells us about the strips, so I'm a little baffled. But I guess maybe they're easy to tell that they're just what they are. But here we go. Here are the February's virtual resort strips for everyone. And yeah, if you missed out on this box, but you want a chance at it, join my Facebook group, Wendy's Nelfie Studio, and see if there is a way that you could possibly win it. So that's it for now. Until next time, peace.